Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cassie. Happy holidays. I know Christmas is almost here. Christmas is like my most favorite holiday of all times, of course besides my birthday. But anyways, without further ado, let's just get into the video. You know, I'm always so geeked up about these subscriptions, like the makeup subscriptions and stuff. So I love subscriptions, and especially if it has to deal with makeup. You guys know I have tons and tons of makeup, and I'm like growing my makeup collection rapidly, especially when I'm subscribed to these like subscriptions. And I was subscribed to Ipsy. I like them, don't get me wrong, I'm not bashing them and stuff like that. Especially a lot of people that's getting into the makeup, we rather prefer the full size instead of the simple size. When you do makeup, it's a learning process. Trust me, it could even take years. Also, you guys see my, Christmas look. I hope you guys like it. Spam me the comments down below. Tell me how does it look. In this box of BoxyCharm is some goodies, and these are all full sizes. With BoxyLuxe, BoxyCharm, I subscribed to their subscription, I think in August. Yeah, in August. So and ever since I switched to them in August, I fell in love with them. I'm not disappointed. It is awesome. I'm telling you guys, get with it. Y'all gonna love it. Y'all gonna really love it. Trust me, especially if you're trying to grow your makeup collection, this is the subscription to subscribe to. When you open the box, this is what you have, but it'll be smaller. I have a big one because every 3 months they have this thing called BoxyLuxe. So BoxyLuxe is basically, instead of getting regular 5 items in your box, you get actually 9. So I was in the BoxyLuxe list this time. Because every 3 months you get this big old box right here, and it's filled with a whole bunch of great goodies, and I'm going to share with you guys that today. This tells you exactly everything that you have in the box. So this is a picture of everything that's inside my box. Down here it will tell you exactly everything that you have and the price of how much it costs right here. And everything in my box is over $300, you guys. This is worth your money if you're into makeup. Trust me, it is worth the money. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is this Luxe Complete Face Set, and this is it. This right here has 8 brushes in here, I believe. Yeah, 8 brushes in here, and these the brush that they have in here is a round top blender, tape highlighting, pro precision, tapered blending, eye shading, flat definer, brow and lash spoolie, and a lip brush. And this is a cruelty-free company. Now Luxe, I love them. I found out about Luxe from Ipsy, so I've been getting Luxe I think from Ipsy. I've been finding out about these brushes and this brand from Ipsy, and these are amazing. So this is one of the stuff that I got for my box, and this is a rose gold complete face brush set, and this costs $65, you guys. $65. When I got this and received and I seen that I was getting this, I was so geeked, like super geeked. Like I am about to go ballistic on these. Like these are just, they're amazing and beautiful. Next we have our Tarte glitter lip paint, and this is for 20 bucks. 20 bucks, you guys. I know you guys like 20 bucks for just this. Yes, this is 20 bucks, but it is so worth it. Everybody know that. Who doesn't like Tarte? Like, everyone should love Tarte. So it comes in this gold box, as you can see. Pretty, very, very, very cute. I love how it comes in a gold box, and inside is, of course, is like purple. I love purple. That's my favorite color. This color is called Strike Gold. So this is it, and this is how it looks. This is the application, basically, just like that. It has a very like chocolatey smell. Next we have is our Violet Voss Pro HD palette, and this is an eyeshadow palette, and this palette costs 65. It costs $45 for this palette. I love the case that it came in. It is very cute. Everything you're gonna hear me say is cute, it's cute, it's cute, because of course I'm girly / tomboyish, but more of a girly boyish type. This is it. Ew. And it comes with, of course, it comes with a mirror right here, and then these are the colors that they have all right here, and it tells you exactly what the name of it, and these are some beautiful colors. I'm going to try to do something, a look with these using this palette only. My favorite colors so far in here is Toffee, which is this one, Wine and Dine, and Teddy Bear. I also like Glamping. Glamping is nice. Here is a body wash infused buffer, and this body wash buffer will cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and nourish your skin. This multi-use buffer is a dermatologist tested and formulated with extracts. Basically, this is like a body wash, and it's a buffer. I never used anything like this at all, and it smells so good, and I'm just like, I think I'm gonna use it tomorrow. This is how it looks. It's in the star. It's like when you coming from work and you feel so tense and you just wanna, that's that kind of type of smell that you get it from, and you just wanna relax with, you know, some candles around and champagne or even liquor. Let me stop. Next we have is a Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and this is clinically proven to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and this bad boy costs 89 bucks, you guys. When I seen that was 89, I was like, what the heck? But when taking care of yourself, and especially your skin, period, some stuff you could go cheap, not too cheap, but cheap. Some stuff you just can't go cheap, especially depending on what kind of type of skin you have. First thing first, you have to study your skin, but I will discuss that in my next video. This is the cream. This is the, you know, I won't say cup, but jar that it comes in. Is very cute. I love it. It's plastic. It comes with a top right here, so nothing is, you know, coming out or or leaking out. And this is for dry skin. Mind you, I have oily skin, but I still use it, but I didn't use it too much. I just did a little dab and just do and rubbed it in. That's it. This is how it looks. It doesn't have a bad smell. To me, the smell's okay. I don't really care for the smell. My next item I am showing you guys is Wonder Beauty Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlight Powder. Highlight powder. A highlight palette. This costs $26. This is the actual palette. It has a mirror right here, and then these, well, the reason why they say a blush and highlight, because you could use these as a blush and you can use this as a highlight. So for me, I'll use this as a blush because of the skin tone that I have, and then I could use either this or this one as the highlight. The next item I have is Lorac Pro Pomade Mascara, and it increases thickness, shine, curl, length to your lashes with the Lorac Pro Lash Pomade Mascara. This is a formula and it is smudge proof, flake proof, and glides onto the lashes easily with the help of custom curved brush. And then of course it's in black, and look how it is. It's just so beautiful, and I like how it curves a little bit. And then me, I have curly lashes that flip over, so this would be perfect for me to just, you know, brush these bad boys up. And this bad boy is $24. Next, what I am holding up is a PYT mini hair straightener. This straightener costs 75 bucks. Basically, it comes in this little pouch, so you can go anywhere with it. It can even be in your purse or whatever. It comes, of course, you know, wrapped in this, and it comes in, I think, 3 colors: purple, blue, and pink. But the color that I have is blue, and I'm in love with this. Yes, this came in my BoxyCharm Luxe, and this is how it looks. It has the on and off button right here, and the plates, of course, is very small. So I will be using this and putting this bad boy to use, especially for your baby hair. Last and least, what I got in my BoxyCharm is the Crimes of Beauty. This is a wristlet. This bad boy costs $22. Basically, you could carry this on your wrist going out with the girls and stuff. You could have, you know, you could fit your wallet in here. You could fit a little change or money if you're going out, little quick small makeup. And also it comes with a portable charger. So this came in the bag, and the bag says glam ass. Baby, stop. This is how big it is inside. So it is spacious and big. So that is all for my BoxyLuxe. Wanted to show you because I probably think that you guys, you know, a lot of my subscribers are interested in makeup. I show you guys that you can grow your makeup if you interested in makeup and you don't want to go to, you know, Sephora and all those other I guess you would say expensive store. Some people's pockets is not, you know. This right here, I feel like is very, very, very affordable. These brands that they put in your box is worth tons of money, and all you're really paying a month is only $23, and that's with tax. For 5 full products, mind you, you get full products. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, tell me you guys what you want to see next, or what would you like to see. I would like to know the contents and see what you guys like, so I can provide you the videos and stuff that you guys would like to see. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.